Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully go about resolving the error message 0x10100be that you're experiencing on your Windows computer when attempting to watch the Movies and TV app or perhaps Windows Media Player. And it says that this file isn't playable. That might be because the file type is unsupported, the file extension is incorrect, or the file is corrupt. So kind of working our way backwards there a bit. If the file is corrupt, consider re-downloading whatever file you are working with here and see if maybe it was just a bad download or was partially downloaded and there was some issue perhaps when you were transferring it from your computer or from the internet or from a different device. So there's always a chance that there was some sort of issue or corruption there. So you may want to consider trying to re-download the media source. Something else you might also want to consider here is the file extension. So if you changed it from like MP4 to M4V or something along those lines, you may want to go ahead and consider just making sure that you typed it in correctly and it's not an invalid format extension type. So that's something else you want to consider. And then finally, I'm actually going to have a link in the description of the video here, guys, to supported formats and codecs for the movies and TV app on Windows. So even though it says Windows 10, it also is the same for Windows 11 as well. And I will have a link as well to the media player support page as well, so you can see all the supported media player types and the file extension types here. So pretty straightforward process on that. Again, if it's not supported on here, it's clearly not going to work. So just want to give you guys another option to consider. So pretty straightforward process. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.